Hey everybody, welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. This is Ryan. In today's video, we're going to be looking at ADA coin for Cardano, a USD pairing. So we'll take a look at it. We'll see what's going on with it. We'll make some price predictions, and then we'll also look at some indicators. And I'm going to let you guys know roughly where I'm going to jump in at and where I'm going to sell at, and we'll calculate what the profit is, okay? So if you guys are into crypto and you're into seeing predictions, then let me share with you guys my screen here. Hold on. Share my screen, and here we go. Okay, so let me go ahead and take a look at this. These are coins that I'm in right now, just to prove that I kind of know what I'm talking about here. So you can see here, since the 24th, now I did hold off prior to December because of the holidays and things were trending down, but I've been jumping into all sorts of trades lately. And you can see, look how many have been clearing, okay? And I've been getting good percentages on these, 15%, 8%, 7%, 8, 10, 11, and then 9. So anyway, if you guys are into crypto, subscribe to the channel right now, smack the notification bell. What I've done is I've done videos on all these to share with you guys what coins I bought, what price I bought in at, what my selling point is, what my take profit will be, okay? So let me go over here. All right, so this is Cardano. I'm over on TradingView, and we're looking at the daily chart here. And you can see here that we look like we've hit some kind of support level and we're starting to bounce back up, right? So let's go ahead and let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. And we will look at the Ichimoku Cloud. We have broken through the red cloud, which is a good indication of an upward trend. That's the time that you really want to feel comfortable buying in. The multiple SMA, the yellow line's getting ready to pass the purple line, which if it continues, that you should see this line starting to grow. All right. And then I've got my, let's look at the RSI. RSI right now, we're up around the 70. Typically what I tell you guys is that right around now, you're probably going to expect a little bit of a drop, but then it's probably going to shoot back up, okay? You can see here that when it reaches the top, it usually drops. It might go over the top a little bit, but it usually drops. So expect a little bit of a drop and probably another pump back up. And we've got on the MACD, we've got all green right here showing that it's trending upward. And then here is my other indicator that I like to use. Okay, so for those of you guys that know, that have watched my channel and my videos before, you know that on these bases, typically when price action drops, it swings back up. And let me show you some examples of that. Let's see here. Cracked right there, came right back up. Cracked there, went boom, 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 and then shot back up. Cracked there, came back up. And even in these little ones, cracked, came back up right there. Cracked, came back up right there. Over here, a base cracked, and then shot back up. Cracked, came back up. So as you can see, more often than not, it comes back up. So this is kind of where we're at right now. We're at $1.40. You'll probably see it drop a little bit more. Even right there, cracked, came back up. Cracked, came back up right there. Cracked, came back up. So what we should be seeing is that this coin should, more often than not, should increase. And I'm not sure when. I'm hoping that it's on an upward trend, so it might be a little bit longer, but more often than not, I feel pretty secure that I can jump into this trade right now and I can ride it up to this orange line. Now, if I want to take a faster profit, if I want to limit my risk more of having to wait a long period of time, what I could do is I could buy right here and I could sell right there at 151. I could sell at 159, or I could sell at 168. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump into this trade. Let me find a piece of paper. All right. If you guys are liking this so far, please give it a thumbs up. It lets YouTube know that I'm providing you helpful information. So we are at 1.399. We've got, look at the day. We've got a lot of greens. We have a bunch of reds appearing. So the day might go from green back to red, but I'm not too worried because more often than not, they swing back up, and look at all these that are clearing. a couple of these other ones are starting to come up, and they're going to clear here hopefully in the next couple of days. Okay, so where are we at? 1399. And let me mark my levels here. I'm going to calculate it here for you guys, so just stay with me. 1.51, 1.59, and 1.68. All right. So what I'm going to do now is this is my spreadsheet. I track all my trades. You guys should get in the habit of that so you know where you're at. And if you ever need to reference back, you guys can do that. So I have this spreadsheet. If you go to my username, where is it? Well, if you click on my username, there we go. If you click on my username, you'll come to this page. You'll see the coins that I'm in. Took profit here, took profit here. And then if you click videos, you'll see my library. And you can watch any of these. But over here, I show you guys how to create that spreadsheet, show you guys the formulas and everything. Okay, so I've copied this. Today is the 16th. We're going to do ADA. This is how many coins I'm going to buy, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my pricing first. 1.399, and 1.399. That would have been good, wouldn't it? All right, and then I'm going to go in. I'm going to sell it 1.59, just because I want to. If I push it up to 1.68, then my concern is that I might end up having to wait a little bit longer. So I want to get my profit, get out, and move on to the next one. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to put in roughly 1,000. So $1,000. So I'm going to change that to where it shows $1,000. So let's just say 900, 800, 700. I'll do 725. There we go. Okay, so I got 1,014 in. My profit on this will be 14%, and I will make $138. Now I know that's not that much, but when you start stacking all these, it increases. And look how much I'm in on other trades. So I'm in here 1,000, here 1,000, here 1,000, here 1,000, here 1,000, 500, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,100 roughly. So I have money into these things. I had somebody make a comment and said that wasn't that much money, but I mean, obviously these things start to stack up, and you can see here that I've been trading for a long time, tracking all my coins and perfecting my method. Okay. So I'm going to jump into this trade. I'm not going to worry, even if it drops a little bit below the 1.399, I'm confident it's going to swing back up. Might just have to wait, a couple days. I might have to wait a week. I might have to wait 30 days. But listen, I'm going to make 14% of my money. So that's a lot better than just sitting in the bank somewhere. And for some of you guys that have more money that you want to invest, if you guys have bigger, deeper pockets, let's raise this up. Let's see. So 725. Let's see what you guys could, what kind of money people can potentially make that want to spend more money. All right, let's do 1,400. Let's roughly double it. We'll do 1,450. So you make 276. Let's say you put in 2,000 coins worth, $2,700, just under $3,000. You can make $382. So you guys can play around with it. You can build your own spreadsheet, calculate it out. Anyway, that is it for now. If you guys are in on coins and you want me to take a look at it, you guys want me to do an analysis for you, let me know in the comments down below what coins you're in, what price you bought in at, and then I might make a video for you guys, and so everyone can kind of see what's going on. Okay, so maybe you guys have been stuck in on some trades for a while and you're like, oh, it's dropped, should I sell? It's so painful now, I don't want to sell. But just let me know. I'll do a video for you guys, if I have time here, and I'll put it together. All right, thanks guys for watching. Please remember, subscribe, thumbs up, smack the bell. You guys know the routine. Thanks for watching and have a great day. All right, bye-bye.